శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 784th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 32nd chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja. Draupadi Devi saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, I am in lot of pain, that is why I am talking like this. Bhuyascha vilapishyami sumanastvam nibodhame artaham pralapam idam itimam vidhi bharata. I am in pain, that is why I am talking like this. You have to bear with me. Please do not misunderstand me and try to understand me. I have some more things to tell you. Please listen to me with a pleasant mind. O Dharmaja, every human supposed to be fulfilling their duties and taking care of their karma. For all other trees and other immovable things, there is no karma concept to them, whereas for all humans there is karma. That is why people should not be giving up their karmas, their actions. All the people definitely have to be performing their actions and lead their life by earning their life bread and butter. O Bharatashrestha Dharmaja, all the living beings will be wishing to be uplifted, and they will be experiencing the reactions of their actions. Now we are seeing that in this world, actions are not performed. Akarmanam vai bhutanam vrittisyat nahi kachana. If actions are not performed, there is no life to living beings. And the karma needs to be performed perfectly. Only then karma will protect human. But it is very hard to even find one person out of thousands of people that who knows how to perform their karma actions perfectly. O Dharmaja, even if it is a wealthiest person, that person has to be performing karma to protect their wealth, his wealth. Without earning, without performing karma, if one person always will be enjoying the pleasures and eating while sitting but not working, even if the wealth is like a great mountain, that will go sink below zero within no time. Like that, Draupadi Devi saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.